Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home, no? Yes, now we have started lesson 12. We have done exercise 1, exercise 2. Today we will do exercise number 3 of subject grammar. Okay, so you all are knowing that we are doing it is happening now. The sentence is it is happening now. Okay, very good. So I hope now you all are able to read the sentences. Okay, so now see. Learning points. What we will learn today? See, today we will learn in exercise 3, we will learn to add is or are to the ing form of words. What we will do today? We will add is, arer, and we will add ing form of words. Okay? We will add is are to the ing form of words. Okay, children? So for that, we will revise first. Okay? See, we are adding ing to this doing words. So first we will revise. Okay, then we will learn how to add is or are to the ing form. Okay, children? So you all have done this. In exercise 1, brush, brush. You all know what you have to do here. You have to add ing form. So brush, brushing, 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 brush, brushing. Number 2 is copy, copy, copy. So you all know what we have to do this. Copy, copy, we have to add ing. Okay? So what word it will become? Can you tell me? Very good. It will come copying. Copying. Copy. Copying. Number 3 is C. SEEC. So what will come here? SEEC. Very good. The sentence will be which sentence? You have to add ing to these doing words. It will come SEEING. Seeing. SEECing. Seeing. Number 4, destroy. 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 So the word is here, which word it will come? Destroy. Yes. Destroying. 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 Destroy. Destroying. Okay? Destroy. Destroying. We are adding ing to these words, to these doing words. Now see the number 5, work. WORK, work. WORK, work. So what will be here? You have to add ing form. Work. Yes. It will be ing form. Working. Ing form of work is working. 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 Work. Working. Number 6, dream. 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 You have to add ing. Remember that. See, in the question what it is written? Add ing. So remember it. You have to add ing. Dream. So the word will be DREAM ing, dreaming. DREAM ing, dreaming. Okay, children? Now I hope you all know this. You have to add ing to these doing words. These all words are doing words. We are adding ing form. Brush, brushing. Copy, copying. See, seeing. Destroy, destroying. Work, working. Dream, dreaming. Okay, children? See now, brush. So it will be brushing. See here. BRUSHING, brushing. BRUSHING, brushing. Copy, copying. Copy, copying. COPYING, copying. C, SEEing, SEEING, seeing. SEEING, seeing. Number 4 is destroy. Destroy. It is destroying. DESTROYING, destroying. Work. It is working. Work, working. WORKING, working. Dream, 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 dreaming. DREAMING, dreaming. Dream, dreaming. Okay, children? So you all have done this. This was your revision. We have done in exercise 1. Okay, children? So now see again we will read some sentence explanation which is given in your textbook also. So where you have to use ing. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. For example, I am, he is, it is. Okay, children? I am, he is, it is. Now see the sentence. When we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. A-R-E, are. For example, they are, we are, you are. Okay, children? Yes. Now you all know this. Okay. So now see, we will do table. This also we will do. Today we are going to learn am plus ing. So one person, many person. This is your revision. Revise it. Okay, so it will be helpful in exercise number 3. One person. I am playing. Am playing. She, he, it is playing. This is for one person. Remember. The boy is playing. You are playing. Okay? For many person, many people, when there is more than one, no? It is many people. So we are using are. We are playing. They are playing. The girls are playing. You are playing. Okay, children, have you understood? See, read once again, so it will be helpful. One person, many person. I am playing, we are playing. She is playing, he is playing, it is playing. So, they are playing. If they all are together, no, we can tell they are playing. More than one. Okay. The boy is playing. If there is only one boy, we can tell the boy is playing. Many girls, more than one girl. The girls are playing. You are playing. If there is only one person, then we can tell you are playing. And if for you, if there are more person, then also are is used. So you are is used in one person and many people also. They both are same. Are is used with you also. Okay, whenever there is you, are is used. Okay, children. So I hope now you all have learned this. When am is are comes, when are comes. Okay. So now see. We are doing exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with the ing form of the words given in brackets. Remember to add is or are with them. See what we have to do in this exercise. We have to use the ing form of the word. See, word will be given in the bracket. And then we have to add ing to that word. But we have to remember one thing. That we have to add is or are. Okay? Is or are. With the ing form of the word. Okay, children? So now you all are ready to do this. We have to use is and the ing form. Are ing form. Have you understood this? Read again. See. Complete the sentences with the ing form of the words given in brackets. Remember to add is or are with them. Okay, children? So now see number A. See number A. See the boy Sanjeev. This boy's name is Sanjeev. The word is given drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. The word is given here. Drink. So there is only one boy. And that boy name is Sanjeev. So for one person we have done no? Sanjeev means he. So what will come? Is. Very good. And we have to add ing to this form of doing words. So what will become here? Can you tell me? Sanjeev. Very good. Is. Then ing form of this word. Drinking. See, I will show you. Sanjeev is drinking. What Sanjeev is drinking? Water. Sanjeev is drinking. So the word is given here drink. You have to add ing to this form. And you have to add is also. You have to make ing form of doing word. And you have to add is Okay? So Sanjeev is drinking. See now number second, B. Okay? Annu. Now see, this girl is Annu. Now you all remember Annu means she. And color, we have to use ing form of this word, color. So what we will use? Very good. Very good. Those who are answering. Anu is coloring. Yes, is coloring, coloring. Anu is coloring. Color, coloring. Is ing form. Okay? Say, read again. Anu is coloring. Okay? coloring. Color, coloring. She is coloring now. The action is going on. It is happening now. So what we will learn? Anu is coloring. Okay, children? Very good. You all are knowing this. Okay? Very good. So read this sentence again. Anu is coloring. Color. And see there, she is coloring. This is a girl. Anu is coloring. Okay? Very good. Now see. Number C. Sentence number C. See sentence C. The boys. See here what we have to use. The boys. There are many boys. Not one boy. 1, 2, 3 boys are there. And the word is play. 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 Now you all know that you have to add ing to this word in the bracket. So it will be play ing. But here the word is boys. Many boys. So we know that we are using is or are. Can you tell me? Is or are? Very good, those who are answering. Are. The boys are playing. The boys are playing. 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 The boys are playing. Okay, children? Here see the boys, all the boys, they are playing with a ball. Okay? So we are using are. The action is going on. It is happening now. Now the boys are playing. Okay? So read the sentence again. Yes. The boys are playing. For play we are writing playing. The boys are playing. Okay, many boys, no? More than one boy. So boys, we use are. The boys are playing. Okay, children? You all know now how you have to do this. Very good. Now see next sentence. Sentence D. The kitten. See in the picture. This is a kitten. Can you see the kitten? What is it doing? Very good. Sleep. The word is given here. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Kitten. You know what is kitten? Very good. Young one of cat is kitten. Now the kitten, so it is an animal. So we use, there is only one kitten, so what we use? It. It. With it what we are using? Is or are. And the word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. So what will be the answer? The kitten. Very good. is sleeping. We have to write sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. We are adding ing to this word. The kitten is sleeping. It is happening now. Okay, it is happening now. It has not woke up. It is still sleeping. And we are seeing that kitten is sleeping. So we will use is plus ing form of the action word. Is sleeping. ing form. Sleep. ing form is sleeping. The kitten is sleeping. Okay, children? You all are understanding, no? The kitten is sleeping. Sleep, sleeping. Remember this. Sleep, sleeping. Okay? Sleep, sleeping. Do you remember? Very good. The kitten is sleeping. Now see, I will show you next sentence. So you can tell me the answer. First you read the sentence in your mind. Then there is a bracket also. Word is given in the bracket. One person only is there. So can you tell me the answer? First we will read the sentence. Prakash. See this boy. Prakash. The plants. The action word is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. And you all know that we have to add ing form. Okay? But here is Prakash. There is only one person. So what we will use? Can you tell me? Prakash. One person only is there. One boy only is there. You all know we have to use is or are. Very good. We have done many sentences, no? So now you should know the answer. Prakash. Very good. Is watering. Watering. The plants. Prakash is watering the plants. See this sentence. Can you see in the picture also? Is giving water. The action is happening now. It is not over. It is still watering. Okay? So we have to add ing to this action word. Prakash is watering the plants. Can you tell me? Which form is this? Very good. ing form of doing words. Water, watering. But we are using is in this exercise. No, exercise number 3. Why we are using is? There is only one person. And that person is watering. So we will use is. Prakash is watering the plants. Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay, children? Now see sentence number F. Here the word is walk. This girl name is Rupa. You have to use am, is, are. Okay? And the ing form of this doing word. So what you have to do? Rupa. Very good. Rupa. It is one girl only, one person. And the word is walk. You have to add ing to this word. You have to show that the action is happening now. She is walking. The action is happening now. Rupa is walking. Rupa is walking. R-U-P-A, Rupa. I-S is. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Walk, walking. We are using is because there is only one girl. We are using is. Okay, children? Rupa is walking. Okay? So you all have understood this? What Rupa is doing? She is walking. Rupa is walking. There is only one girl. And we have to add ing form of the action word. Okay, children? So, it is Rupa is walking. See the spelling walk, walking. We are using is. It is only one girl. So, we are using is. Now, see number G. Sonu, then there is a word feed. There is a action word given. Feed. The birds. See this boy, small boy is Sonu and he is feeding the birds. Can you see the birds in the picture? So Sonu, it is only one boy. So we have learned no one person, we use is. And you have to write ing form of this word, this action word. The action is going now. It is happening now. Sonu is feeding the birds. The action is happening now. He is feeding the birds. Sonu is feeding the birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Sonu is feeding the birds. Can you tell me? Very good. Now you all know that when we have to use is and are. And see in the bracket the word is given, no? So with that word you have to use and add ing. Okay? Sonu is feeding the birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. There are many birds, so it is birds. Okay? But who is feeding? Sonu. So for Sonu we have to use is. Sonu is feeding. F-E-E-D-I-N-G. Feed, feeding. Okay, children? Now see number sentence H. He. Then there is a word given, read. Can you see this boy? There is only one boy sitting and reading. You also are reading, no? You are reading your lessons at home? Very good if you are reading, doing your homework. So what will come here? He. There is only one boy. So he is reading. You have to write ing. And it is one boy only. So we are using is. I-S is. D-I-N-G ding. R-E-A-D-I-N-G ding. Reading. Okay. Read. Reading. He is reading. One boy, no? So we are using is. He is reading. Read. Reading. Read. Reading. Read. Reading. He is reading. Only one boy. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have understood this lesson properly. Lesson number 12. We have done lesson exercise 1, exercise 2. Okay, we have done this reading and how we have to use is with this form. When there is one, we are using is. When there are more, we are using are. And you are is always there. We use are with you. Okay, children? So I hope now you all have done your revision. You have done your homework also. Okay, of exercise 1 and exercise 2. So today you do revision of exercise 3. Okay, children? Very good. If when you read this, no? When you see this, okay? So you will understand this properly. Okay, children? So do your homework properly. Revise this if you want to understand it. Okay, children? Revise it. Okay? And be happy at home. Do your work properly. Okay, children? And at last, thank you.